Hello, good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I'll be outing for fishing with my two sweet friends. I feel so excited for that. So let's go, please enjoy the video.
This is the way where I go for fishing. This way belong to Chri River. Zeme kone Langkhauki. Langkhauki kader atat la dele. Nam kang pasli ve. Pui ki nam pui le do. Nung ring le. Sang mata rai da. Ine ta na te ta ko da. Woo! Very weak. Ai da. United au bom đó. Đó cái này sổ ra bom để kí đó. Suy sáng á. This is a townhouse. Okay. Here. What the beautiful scenery and what the beautiful road we have for the Chri River. Here on the same way we have a different color. Before did you see that in the green way, and this is a gray and brown into Chri River. Let's see. It is called the Chri River Gate. This is the Chri River Gate. You see, goes to the green and the gray brown. Let's see. Let's enjoy. Hey, do watch and subscribe. Like, share, comment. Subscribe. Here we go. That's really beautiful, huh? Woo! See. Down and down. Down and down. Ouch. Down and down. Now I'm finally crossing the Chri River Gate. About to reach. Now I have finally reached the Chri River, the younger Chri River, the younger one, the young one. This is the Chri River where we gonna fish in this river. Let's see. Oh, what a pleasant wind blows through this river. Oh, now we finally reach the place where we're gonna fish. Here, just two fellow running and going. Oi. Oi se. Ni. Oh lo. Oh. Machli khai bo iske ei chu bây giờ này se re ba oi tu cái ăn chitu choto moto khan hey I see machli dita tinta malang tera bo tim ma je ni ho ai đang gặp của đó có quay cái nào bài đây nè kelek lah ni ho gorom moja On the leg, the kram, gerakan on the leg. Woo! Ya biru on the leg. Woo! Ai lang câu là qua cái xí biểu đó, gì đã lang biểu đó, lang chủ đó, cáo con to đi. Quay thế là mà ngã, kêu lọ là đi đi, người đều là đi đi. Nuôi đó, hay là bàn dầu tăng nhớ đó. First class mile.
Ini gue ramai ini.
Lare, kugui, kike, lang thum, takli lang tiền ni lang sukrai ko đó. खाना शुरू बुनी तो कर लिया इसने इसका दर्द तो मत देखो हो बीमार हो गया ठीक से देखो ना बीमार हो गए हो ज्यादा मत देखो ना इसका दर्द देखो ना गिर गिर के खा रहा है देखो
Terus suruh.
शुरू हो गया ये भी मुस्लिम है यो तुरा बंगाली वो मुसलमान का है इसका हाथ क्या है हो जानवर ना आदमी है This is mine spicy fish curry
Belum cash tuh. एकदम बढ़िया है.
yummy
So funny. So funny.
thấy nghe thấy của bạn
Over funny. This fish no. Over funny.
anh chị
Over laughing.
हो गया अभी फिर से वापस जा रहा है गाँव पे हाँ वो लाल बैग वाला वो तो लाल बैग है जाने से भी लाल लाल स्टाइल तो मत बोलो इसका स्टाइल तो we finally reached the hawk. Oh yeah. Welcome back to the sky. Please like and subscribe and Cosmat go to subscribe.
Yes.
Yes, oh yes.
I know. You know. Means I will know, right? Yeah. You also know, no? Yes, Father. Yes, then double. I know everything.
Oh, alright.
Alright. You know, I know double.
This is our house.
Understand? Very, very beautiful thing, no? Come to down and going to up. No, no, you're wrong. This is not no, yes. This space. Very good. Yes. But you are over bet. My nose is going
Water.
down, up, down. Very totally. You know what I'm talking? No.
No.
No. Come, let's go.
Oh, thank you so much. Bye bye. We're finally heading to our home. Let's see. We have a very, very, very wonderful day that we have enjoyed fishing and swimming, walking around the jungle.
Thank you so much for watching till the end of my video. Bye guys. I'll see you in next my video. Dun, dun, dun.